Good morning, my people. Today this is what is happening on good. So this is 15 minutes time frame. So when you open your MT5 or your MT4, first mark out all your points of interest. So if you can see here, we have down here we have a demand zone for down here. Let me mark it. Here's the demand zone. Sorry. Here is the demand zone. Here is the demand zone. I've marked my demand zone. This demand zone now is point of interest. So whenever price touch here, it's usually going to go up. Then we also have other block here. Let me mark the other block so that you get it. Sorry, let me mark it. Here's the other block. You mark at the end of the pivot candle, which is the red candle. So if you can see on this chart, price touch this point of interest known as a order block, then it begin going up. So I'm very sure that price is going to come down here, touch this order block or your demand zone here. These 2 points are your point of interest to use trade market today. So if you see market now, market is consolidating on 15-minute time frame. So this consolidation now, market is going to break out from this consolidation, either touch this other block before going up or touch this demand zone before going up. So if you don't know what is demand zone, search on YouTube so that you learn about demand and supply zone, also order block. So order block is a very good point of interest to trade. Whenever price reach that point, it's usually going to go up. So let me show you where our supply zone is. Here is our supply zone. This candle before the higher bearish here. Let me mark the candle so that you get your supply zone. Here is your supply zone. So if market break out from this consolidation, whether to go up or come down, if the market is going up, you should be patient, no trade at all. No, if I were you, I would advise you should not enter any market for now. Wait whether market to touch this your supply zone here for up here, or you wait, let it come back to retest this other block or touch this demand zone here before you enter for your buy. If you touch this your demand zone here, you enter for buy. If you touch your other block here, you enter for buy. Or if you go up, go touch your supply zone here, you enter for buy. This video here is a video I make this morning. That is, is made by this morning. What is happening on the good. So if you are a new trader, once you open your MT or any other app you use for trade, not just trade, just try to mark your points of interest. All these three places now that I mentioned, that is your point of interest. Your point of interest is where a market or a price will reach to give you your sign or setup that you follow to buy or sell before you enter for trade. So try and learn and get patient how to trade from the middle of nowhere. So once market reach any point of your interest, then you can enter your trade. So my name is Ibrahim and this is my channel. So I'm going to be giving out video every morning or night. Anytime I see that the market has great points of interest, that's going to be advantage to my subscriber or to my fellow forex trader. So I'm going to be giving you. Then if you are new in forex trading, please, I would like you to to be your friend, subscribe to my channel so that it encourage me to be giving out more detail like this. So if you are here about support and resistance, also I'm going to use this opportunity to explain what is support and resistance. Like this consolidating now, here now, it's a support and resistance. This consolidation area, let me mark it so that you know where your this up and down is support and resistance. Here is your resistance because market touches twice. So I'm going to come out this line, go up. Then here, up here is your supports because market touch it twice or 3 times. So we are get our supports and resistance. We are get our supply and demand. This up here is your supply. Then this down here is your demand. Then this middle one that I mark is your order block. So I'm very sure for those people that are in the market at that time, when this price come down here, touch it, there's very probability that market is going to go up, but the market never sweep liquidity yet. So that is why it don't have a pressure to go up once like that. So I'm very sure between 1 o'clock to 2 o'clock, around that kind New York overlap session, this market will lovely to come and retest this order block again, sweep all the liquidity here, come down and retest this demand zone before you begin going up. So watch this video, mark this zone that I have marked, this point of interest that I marked, just mark it up. Whenever market touch it, sweep the liquidity, then give you, if it touch your supply zone here, if you sweep this liquidity, if you see any big candle like bearish engulfing candle, my brother, my sister, enter for sale immediately. Then if you come down here, because markets now, I'm very sure that it's going to come down, sweep this liquidity. If you come down, sweep this liquidity, see your bullish engulfing candle, that is a big candle like this, my brother, enter for buy. Target this high here, target this supply zone. So if you come down, touch this your demand zone, sweep this liquidity, my brother, target this supply zone. I'm very sure within around that kind 2 o'clock to 3 o'clock till 5 o'clock, I'm very sure that New York overlaps, London and New York overlap session, that is where we are going to have this spike. So save this video so that you won't miss the opportunity. Then subscribe to my channel, like this video so that you reach more people that find this kind of video. I'm going to drop every morning how to trade on gold or other stuff so that you won't miss out. It's going to be a benefit to you. Thank you. I'm very happy to have you here as my viewer. Support my channel by subscribe to my channel. God bless you. Love you.